Hi, hello. My name is Chris, and welcome to this presentation. Here, I will try my best to promote the program that I've made over the past 2 months plus. It's called IT Kiosk, and it was inspired by the McDonald's kiosk that was recently installed in the franchises here in Sarawak. As the name implies, IT Kiosk, it is a kiosk that sells computer peripherals. This is a software that is to be installed in the shops that the kiosk is fixed at. There are a few objectives that this program aims to achieve. The main ones are to smoothen the shopping experience of customer, to help customers with social anxiety, and to promote better social distancing between the customer and workers, especially now, 2021. We're in the pandemic and all. For the owner, it simplifies the data collection process, or in this case, the sales summary of the shop. The program has three main parts: the customer's end, the admin's end, and the membership system. Moving on to the program's strengths, well, there's also a few. First of all, it helps to provide a clear display of the items in the shop and its prices. Customer won't be overwhelmed by it and can make better decisions when buying computer peripherals. Next, it eases the shopping experience of the customer. It's simple and it's quick. Additionally, it can also help in making the membership registration process easier. Although it seems too good to be true, or it may seem too good to be true, it has, of course, its weaknesses. Its main weaknesses at this moment is that the items on display are fixed and has to be manually adjusted by tapping into the program's code. Most of the limitations, or rather weaknesses, are because of my limited knowledge and also the limited time that I had. So now I'm gonna run the program, and while running the program, I'm gonna explain the important codes that is included in the program. So let's run the main user. So let's run the program as it is in its basic form. Let's just go to the main menu, and here in the main menu we'll just buy some simple peripherals. So let's aim for two peripherals here. I want to buy a keyboard and a mousepad. So first let's buy the keyboard. So keyboard, so I want to buy the cheapest item here. That would be the first item, the NF Pro 2. So that's number one. So would you like to make another purchase? No, I want to buy a mousepad. Okay, so let's buy a mousepad. Let's again go for the cheapest item here, or maybe not. Let's go for the most expensive one. So let's go for the 200 ringgit one. Alright, so now I've added two items to my cart. Do I want to make another purchase from mousepad? No. Okay. So do I want to make any more purchase? No, I think two is enough for now. So let's go with no. Would you like to add this item? So here it's generating an item to me. So in this part here, this is the code. This is the function here. So it's generating a random item to be recommended to the user. So in this case, it's recommending me this Razer Viper Ultimate mouse. So do I want to add this item? Sure, why not? Let's add it. So now do I have a membership? So like I said, we are running the simplest form of it. So let's go with no first. Okay, so let's go with no, and let's enter the amount being paid. So that's the amount paid. So now, as a customer, you would like a receipt, and we do have a receipt for you here. So you have the NF Pro 2, the Gigantus V2, and also the Razer Viper Ultimate. So we have our total here, and how much did we pay, and also our change. Okay, so now let's run the program again, but this time we'll look into the membership program. Okay, so let's go into the main shop. Because I want to show you the membership program, let's just buy something simple. So a headset maybe. So we have three items here, similar to the other three options. So let's buy the number one, another Razer product. Okay, so do I want to make another purchase from headset? Nope. Do I want to make another purchase from any of this category? Let's go with no. Alright, again it's recommending me item. I would not like to buy the item. So now we're at the membership part. So now they're asking me if I have a membership. So let's assume that I do not have, so let's say no. So do I want to register as a member? Yes, I would like to register as a member. So let's give me a fake name. Let's say I'm June. Okay, my name is June. Okay, I am, let's say now I'm 17 years old, or yeah, let's say I'm 17 years old. So sorry, you must be 18 years old and above to register. So if they prompt you for a membership number, you do not have a membership number. We can't suddenly change our age, right? So we're gonna skip the membership part for now. Okay, let's run it again, but this time we're 18 years old and above, which is the appropriate age to make a membership account. So let's just skip through this. So that I have a membership? No. Do I want to make a membership? Yes. So again, my name is June. Now I am 19 years old. Okay, so now it has generated a number for me, and the program is here. So when prompting me if do I want to make a member, yes, I want. So here is what's going on. So it's creating a unique number for me, and if the unique number has been created before, here is a filter to prevent the same unique number from happening again. So then you and your special number are added into a database and also given a sort of your personal database. So here's the code to compile all of these functions together. We have new mem, the new mem function, so it'll compile everything here. Okay, so what's my code number? So let's see, 46715. Okay, 46715. You can see it over here. Lucky for us, I have short-term memory loss, but we can refer it to the few lines above. Okay, so now you can see that there's a noticeable discount. From 599, I'm now paying 509. So let's just pay the good program, the good cashier, and move on with our life. So here, let's open the receipt again. So a brand new receipt, so you can see the discount clearly given here. So another benefits of being a member is that you can see your purchase history. Let me demonstrate that part. So right here you can see that there's an option to see your purchase history. So let's go with purchase history ph. Alright, oh, now they're asking me for my membership number, and I have, like I said, I can't remember. So let's just look into my membership number. So that's, we go June 467 we copy paste in. Alright, so here you can see that they're welcoming me. I'm feeling very welcome, and you can see the logs, my purchase logs. So you can see in the 15th of July, I've made one entry, which is only the Logitech G Pro. So here they're asking me to press enter to continue and load the main menu. So let's do that. Okay, so now I am at the main menu. Okay, so let's close that. That's one of the other benefits of being a member. You can see your past purchases. So now instead of a customer, I am the admin, right? So let's press admin to go into the administrator menu. Okay, so let's key in the administrator key number. Very creative, I know. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Do you wish to print sales report? Yes, I do. Please enter the email address to receive sales report. So now I'm just gonna key in my personal email. I'm just gonna use it for demonstration purposes. We give it a few moments. We're done. Okay, now I'm gonna open my Gmail. Alright, so now I have my email open, and you can see a recent email has been sent to me, and here we have the attachment. Let's download that. Let's open that. Yep. Let's open it with Notepad. Oh, here we go. Alright, so you can see the sales summary in text file, so the program work. And here you can see the grand total and the sales made, arranging from the top sales to the lowest sales. Okay, great. So now I'm gonna explain the email function. So here I'm setting up a MIME. So MIME stands for Multi-Purpose Internet Mail Extension. So here I'm trying to set it up. So we need a sender's address, a receiver's address, and a subject. So this is what's going to be in the email. So here I'm using email that I created a few months ago. I'm not using it for much, so I might as well use it for this project. So here I have the email, my password, and this is to set up the MIME. And in this part of the program, I am adjusting the attachment. So I'm setting up the attachment and I'm opening it as binary. And it is in a format of base64. After that, I am to create a SMTP session for sending the email. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So after creating a SMTP session, I am now ready to send the email. So here we're creating the session and starting the session. So we'll need the sender's address and the sender's password. Okay, so now that we have everything, we are ready to send the email content and also the attachment. So that is all for the email part. It's basically setting a MIME and also setting up a SMTP session, and that will allow you to send an email. Alright, in the proposal, the backend module was not mentioned, but I later on decided to add it because I wanted to add more value to the program. Well, that is all for the presentation. I hope that it was entertaining and I hope that it helped to promote the program to some certain degree. That is all from me. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.